If you've ever wondered how banks calculate interest, you're in the right spot. We're going to learn how to calculate compound interest using this formula. Now let's say you put $1,000 in the bank at 6% interest, compounded quarterly, for 3 years. You need to know how much money you'll have at the end of 3 years and how much interest you've earned during that time. We'll start with the principal, P, which is how much money you invested. For this problem, P equals 1,000. Next, let's look at R, which stands for rate. The rate is 6%, but we need to change it to a decimal first. That means that R will equal 0.06. N is the number of times the interest is compounded each year. Since the interest is compounded quarterly, that's 4 times per year, so N equals 4. The last piece of information we need is the time, T. Our time is the number of years our money is earning interest. In this case, T is 3. Now that we have all the information we need, we just have to put it in the formula and solve for A, the final amount of money we will have after all of the interest has been collected. As you're solving the equation, don't forget to use the order of operations and start inside the parentheses. 0.06 divided by 4 equals 0.015. When we add this to 1, we get 1.015. And of course, since 4 times 3 equals 12, we can go ahead and change that exponent to a 12. 1.015 to the 12th power is approximately 1.196. Once we multiply 1.196 and 1,000, we will get our final answer of $1,196, which is how much money we'll have after investing it for 3 years. That means we earned $196 of interest during that 3 years. Let's try another example. If you invest $5,000 for 9 months, compounded monthly at a rate of 11%, how much interest will you have earned at the end of the 9 months? We will begin by using this formula. Now we need to identify our P, R, N, and T. Our P is 5,000. R is 11%, written as a decimal, 0.11. Since the interest is compounded monthly, our N will be 12 because there are 12 months in a year. T is the number of years the money will be invested. Our T is only 9 months. It's not a full year. 9 is 3/4 of 12, meaning 9 months is 3/4 of a year. We will use the decimal equivalent of 3/4, 0.75, for our T. Next, we put all our information into the formula and solve. 0.11 divided by 12 is approximately 0.0092. When we add this to 1, we get 1.0092. Since 12 times 0.75 is 9, we can go ahead and change the exponent to 9. 1.0092 to the 9th power is approximately 1.086. After multiplying this by 5,000, we end up with 5,430. That means that after 9 months, the total amount in the bank account is $5,430. Since we started with $5,000, we earned $430 of interest. Calculating compound interest doesn't have to be difficult if you organize your information and use the formula step by step. Just remember to use the order of operations when solving.